pleased to be with you in today's mangrove planting event. To mark 10 years of this project, I am proud to announce TMP's commitment to plant 1 million trees by 2030. Focuses on supporting our unique ecosystems in Quezon. We are partnering with the government and local groups to help regenerate its coastline, the third longest in the Philippines. This area is part of the Tayabas Bay fishing ground.
TMP will be officially adopting 20 hectares here in Unisan, planting 50,000 mangroves over 5 years with the help of the local community.
Mangrove serves as a natural barrier that can protect the communities from storm surge, flooding, and erosion.
When I learned about the activity, ang una kong inisip ay tama-tama migratory season na. So I am expecting migratory birds to arrive, and hindi ako nagkamali kasi when we went to the planting site, there's a mud flat across the mangroves at nandoon yung mga migratory birds that I was talking about. So they're here now, and they're feeding along the mud flats that are next to the mangroves. When we protect the coastal habitat, we give a nesting area and feeding area for the fish, which is being harvested by the locals. So economically, magkakaroon ng advantage for the community. So what is good for the birds is also good for the community.
As a team member na volunteer today sa mangrove planting, grateful and also fulfilling yung experience na to since naging part and naging support sa community as part ng TMP Environment Initiative.
TMP Foundation is very much in support of Toyota's Greenway project, and we are mustering volunteers to be able to do the planting activities. We are fully committed to support the 1 million tree target by 2030. We will continue to support the Green Wave activities and activities like this by mustering more volunteers. And secondly, we're going to bring these tree planting and mangrove planting activities outside Calabarzon. We will be moving up north initially and elsewhere.